So, hi. Mm, First, I show what the output we are getting, the final build. As you said that you need a teleportation, so we put the points on the teleportation. You need a scene changing the scenes option, so they are the changing the scenes option. And if I click onto that, so my scene will be changed. And there's also the option for the recenter the view, and yeah, this option for selecting the objects, and it will interact you like hands. And then there is a load and save position options are there, so you can save the positions, and if you load the position, then you will be transferred to the same position which you saved. So these are the points which you mention in your sheet. So that's all the points are covered. Now I move toward the how the coding and the Unity project part accomplish. Okay. So here is the project what I did, and there is a Playmaker. Playmaker I installed, and your hands objects are installed. So on a project settings on package manager, what the packages we have. Okay, Oculus XR plugin and XR interaction kit. XR interaction kit we are using for getting the controls. Uh, Check the versions. Okay, then URP for universal render pipeline we are using. Okay, of course, then the Playmaker and your save easy save scripts are also there. Now I just move toward the hierarchy of the project. So here is the handler, VR handler, which do all the VR events, like we said there. Exarrig having all the teleportations points, how you want to the teleports, and the snap points for rotation. Okay, if you want to rotate any axis, you can rotate from here, and the turn amount. Okay, so right now we are by default it's a 45. You can change that amount. Then move toward offsets are there, and then the main camera. Main camera is all the things which we use for the interaction with the objects. So interaction with the objects, we use that we develop this script which get your hand inputs right, like trigger. So it will work on every devices which having the trigger button. So as in a GVR is also the trigger button. Oculus Go have also trigger button. Quest and Rift all devices have the trigger button. So we use that trigger button and our in the map our function from function format. Okay. Then this is already done, so you don't need too much into it. I will explain by the way. So here is the item container. Item container is the container which having all the items are there. These are the items which are the puts here, and if you click into the items, so there's only three things there which you want to remember. First is the box collider. Any item you want to be the interactable, so you need to just put the box collider item animator and tag, right? Item, you want to just tag here from the item. Okay, and there is no layers, and just check that it's not be a static. If you are static, so all this thing is not work. Okay, so these are the things, and yeah, one more important component is there is animator name. Just I put here the string field, main hand animator. So this is very important feature. If you click on resource, right? If you click on the resource, so you will find that there is an animator. His name is same as that. Okay, if you have the different items are there, right? If you have the different items are there, and you have to different animation for the item, you just copy and the paste the name of the item, name of the animator here, right? So these are the thing. And then easy save things I use here, Playmaker. And here is our canvas, the menu option. The menu option, I also put the script here, is a menu manager, which hold the positions, right? Which we saved on easy save plugin, and we used to put here, and we just relocate the position of a player. So here we are doing the save our previous position of the player, and load the position, and we can do in any other functions and other values we want to save. So this function will be a very ready to go. Then I move toward to the choose option. So here, if you click, then that are the open. By default, I just open them thing. And for the review, just you need to put the scenes value. If you have the 0, so reset with the default position, and it's a recenter. Then save the position of the player, where the position of the player is current right now. Load for loading the previous position which you saved, and the options are there to load other what we can say scenes. So we have the two scenes, so you can load into the scenes. And just move toward a little bit about the coding part. Okay, so there are the coding parts are there, simple methods are there which you directly use on your buttons, and perform the functions on click and all that. Then handler system is there, and where we can yeah, here is the update, and we are getting your trigger inputs from here, and we're doing the recasting thing to detect the objects is interactable or not. We get the position from where we pick the object, and then we play the animation. Okay, and for the animator we load animation from our resources folder, then set the position, and then on the hand objects. So hand will be the movable, right? Hand will be the animated when the object you grab. So all the things are there, and it's also for the teleportation, so you can also do the teleportation, right? So these are the script, and these are the complete flow of your project. I hope you understand that thing. Thank you.